It's shock resistant, water resistant, zoom function, 5 modes, long life cycles, and you know what? High lumens. We all love our high lumens. Actually, how high is it? So this one is it's got aviation grade aluminum alloy. It's 5,000 milliamp battery that's included into it, but it also has a little thing to put your own like batteries in there. Zoomable acrylic lens, 5 modes. It's got the high, medium, low. Type C. It's so range, 1,500 meters on the range. That's far. Applications, camping, hiking, walking, whatever. Use reader manual. There we go. So you can kind of see what it's great for. And the thing feels tough. I just took it out. I've already used this thing. Look at this, everybody. This thing is metal, so you could use it if you need to. It's got paracord bottom right here that's detachable, so you can detach that little paracord. Nice to grab a hold of, and then it's got a adjustable right there to adjust it on the wrist. Let me show you how this thing works right here. You've got the charging right here, so there's an input, USB-C input, and a USB output. And then right here is you would get your own little AAA batteries. So you take, looks like 1, 2, 3, 4 AAA batteries to run this. And this is what I like with this. A very tough little like thing for like, this can go around a backpack, like right here you can see, check this out. It snaps like that. You could run it long ways through a belt loop or go around like that. And let me show you what it looks like inside of it right here. Works very well. Just like that. See that? This thing you could wear it on your hip or whatever. Inside of here, you get a USB-C cable. It shows you how to load the battery. Let me show you how to load this battery. What you want to do, you get 2 batteries with it. You get this beast right here. Check that out. That's that 5,000 milliamp battery. And to me, it looked like it went in plus up and minus down. And this thing is waterproof. You can see as soon as I put it in, it's got a full charge. 1 button mash turns it on, and I can feel the heat off of that. Look at that. And then when I want to do it, it has that square pattern right there. There's high, low, and I think so it's low, medium. That's a medium. And then there's the strobe top light, and then this like safety light. So you could set it down and run it like a SOS light, and then off. So there's your modes right there. This is something that I think everybody should have in their like kits, whether you're on patrol, whether you need a patrol light, or for camping, hiking, whatever. It is a little heavy, so it's not really, I wouldn't consider it like a light duty top flashlight. This is something, honestly, I think this would be great for security or just around the house. Like when I walk outside and hit that button, this thing lights up the entire backyard. So impressive on how much light this thing like knocks out when you turn it on like that. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the, the XHP 160 rechargeable light. 10 years, gold seller. See you all in the next video.